In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus AHA, which is better for project management. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how each platform approaches planning, collaboration, and delivery, and you'll be able to match those strengths to the kind of work your team does. Let's start with ClickUp. This platform positions itself as the software to replace all software, built to save money and time by centralizing work and eliminating what it calls work sprawl, when tasks, updates, and context are scattered across too many places. The idea is simple. When context is fragmented, teams lose track of priorities, duplicate effort, and miss handoffs. ClickUp addresses that with an integrated workspace and with ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that surfaces answers where you're working, helps manage projects, and includes AI, talk-to-text, so you can capture ideas or updates quickly and turn them into structured tasks, notes, or action items. What stands out in ClickUp is the range of specialized AI agents designed for different functions. Project management agents help you track deliverables and deadlines. Marketing agents assist with drafting copy, and software agents can support code-related workflows. There are also agents aimed at operations and employee experience, all with the goal of removing tedious status check-ins and bridging the gap between strategy and execution. This can help teams focus attention where it matters, reduce context switching, and keep plans, updates, and artifacts in one place. The impact claims are bold. ClickUp reports a 384% return on investment and time savings measured in the tens of thousands of hours, with payback in under 6 months. It's an enterprise-grade platform used by a wide range of teams and built to meet global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR. The promise is that by consolidating tools and automating routine work, you recover days of productivity each week. If your organization struggles with many separate tools for tasks, docs, goals, and communication, or if you lead cross-functional initiatives that require tight coordination, this all-in-one approach can be compelling. When evaluating whether ClickUp fits, look at the breadth of your workflows. If you need a single space for planning, execution, documentation, and reporting, ClickUp's unified environment and AI features can reduce manual updates and keep stakeholders aligned. Consider how your teams will adopt the workspace you design. Naming conventions, templates, and clear responsibilities make a big difference. The more you standardize views, automations, and intake, the more the AI and reporting can help surface the right information at the right time. Now let's switch to AHA. AHA describes itself as the world's #1 roadmap software, focused on linking strategy to plans, so teams can build lovable software. Its emphasis is on the full product lifecycle, from defining vision and goals, to prioritizing features, to communicating roadmaps and tracking delivery. AHA! Builder is a recent addition that lets teams create internal business applications using AI, which can help streamline repetitive processes and accelerate how you operationalize product work. AHA brings structure to strategy by tying every piece of work back to high-level goals and initiatives. You can crowdsource customer feedback with custom portals, capture insights, and then translate them into ideas on interactive whiteboards where you can brainstorm, cluster concepts, and outline potential solutions. For prioritization, AHA offers objective scoring models so decisions are transparent and repeatable. You can analyze progress with more than 75 pre-built product management reports and dashboards, which makes it easier to communicate status and trade-offs to executives, sales, and engineering. The platform includes a powerful AI assistant with purpose-built prompts for product teams. It can analyze user interviews, draft feature specifications, and help move ideas into structured plans. AHA is used by a large community of product builders and is known for consolidating fragmented tools at a strong ratio while saving significant hours annually. It integrates with more than 40 tools, such as Jira and Slack, so you can keep development and communication in sync, and it's ISO 27001 certified for robust security. If you want to try it out, there's a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Choosing between ClickUp and AHA comes down to the kind of work you lead and how you want to organize it. If your priority is an all-in-one operating system for work, where tasks, docs, goals, and communication live together, supported by AI agents for many departments, ClickUp aligns well with cross-functional project management and company-wide collaboration. If your priority is product strategy and road mapping, capturing customer feedback, scoring features, and communicating plans to stakeholders with deep reporting, AHA offers the structure and analytics product organizations depend on. Think about where decisions happen, who needs visibility, and which workflows must be consistent across teams. ClickUp's strength is unifying many types of work in a single, customizable platform with assistance for varied roles. AHA's strength is providing a disciplined product framework that ties strategy to delivery, with rich roadmaps, scoring, and reports. Both emphasize AI, but in different ways. ClickUp Brain focuses on ambient assistance and multi-department agents to reduce manual work across the organization. AHA's assistant focuses on product-specific prompts, turning qualitative insights into plans and helping authorship of specs and artifacts. Security and scale are well addressed in both platforms, so it often comes down to fit and focus. If you already rely heavily on Jira for engineering, AHA's integrations and product-first approach may complement your stack. If your organization wants to consolidate many tools into a single hub for execution and updates across marketing, operations, and development, ClickUp's all-in-one vision may deliver bigger gains. A practical way to decide is to pilot each platform with a real initiative. For ClickUp, set up a cross-functional project, enable the relevant AI agents, and measure how much status chasing you eliminate. For AHA, run a product planning cycle from idea intake to prioritized roadmap. Use the scoring models and share dashboards with stakeholders. Compare how clearly each platform connects your goals to the work and how easily your team adopts the workflows. Whichever direction you choose, clarity of process is the multiplier. Define what work you will track, who owns each stage, and how decisions get made, and then let the platform's automation, AI, and reporting amplify that clarity. If you found any value in today's video, hit the like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.